Okay, let's do the next question. An elf and a troll meet. The troll always lies and the elf always tells the truth. If they both have just said one sentence, which of the sentence would be true? I'm telling the truth. Well, elf will say that because he does say the truth. And troll, because he lies, he will also he can also say that because it's a lie. So this option can be correct. Let's look at other options. You are telling the truth. So elf won't say that to the troll because elf knows that troll lies, right? But troll can say that. So troll can say that, elf cannot. We both are telling the truth. Elf won't say that, troll can. I always lie. Troll won't say that because it always lies, right? And elf won't say that either because elf always says the truth. One and only one of us is telling the truth. Elf can say that, but troll won't say that. Okay, because that's true. Elf is always telling the truth, right? Okay, next question. We call a 3-digit number nice if its middle digit